The Washington Wizards GM, I do believe, is laying a foundation similar to prior teams that have built elite level rosters. Oklahoma City Thunder, the Spurs, Detroit, those rosters were built on draft picks. They were built on high end drafting. And I just want to tell you this, right? This is a guy who was able to flip Bradley Beal, CP3, Jordan Poole, a lot of these players, and he ends up with 6 second-round picks, 4 pick swaps, and a projected 2030 first-round pick, while clearing up, I believe it is $16 million in cap space, all while bringing in a former all-star level player to play with the top pick in Alex Sarr that he drafted recently. So from a GM perspective, I get it. We may not see the vision today, and you also probably think that they fleeced the Atlanta Hawks based on the assets that they gave up, but they got all the picks, they freed up cap space, and there is a legitimate path for a future for the Wizards based on these moves.